Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning into my channel. Today we will do a start to finish brow tutorial using all Xtreme Lashes products as shown. First things first, we want to cleanse and prep our skin using the eye makeup remover and facial cleanser. This cleanser is 90% natural, which is great. So it has no artificial colors, fragrances, and it's infused with 6 soothing botanicals, so it's perfect for even the most sensitive skin. After we rinse and dry our brows, we're going to take our deluxe retractable styling wand and brush those brows in an upward motion, exposing any of those long hairs that don't fit into our frame that we're going to create today. Next, we'll take our long-lasting brow pen and our angled brush to begin our frame, starting with the very inner corner that should be lined up with the outer edge of your nostril. I always prefer to begin my frame by lining the upper part of the brow because that is the most natural line to your brow bone. So begin with the top, fill that area in, just framing it, and then you can move to the bottom section. Just continue to frame your brow shape. I know so far it might look a little crazy, but trust me, it'll get good pretty soon. After we've established our desired frame, we're going to go ahead and wax or tweeze, or both, any unwanted hair that's outside of the frame. Be sure to always check your work by brushing your hair upward and downward to check the established frame. And then apply any soothing gel or aloe vera that you have to calm and soothe the skin. Fill in your brows. I like to fill in with the actual pen itself on the tail end of the brow because it gives a little bit more of a darkness and more depth to that tail end. Some people are a little more sparse at the tail of the brow. And then I like to grab that angled brush and actually brush hair-like strokes up into the beginning of the brow, so that way you don't have such a harsh line. Next, I will clean off my angled brow brush and use that same brow brush to conceal with the Jo Mousselli Skin Renewing Concealer. This will not only give us a clean and finished look, but the Jo Mousselli Skin Renewing Concealer is also infused with Australian myrtle oil, so it's also going to help to hydrate, soothe, and protect the skin that's just been waxed. And there you have it, folks, a beautiful before and after of your freshly groomed brows. much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.